Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Intex hot tub, headrest, cup holder tray, seat, 2 cartridges. With the touch of a button, activate the 170 soothing bubble jets that surround the interior of the spa, and you can adjust the temperature that best suits your comfort level. Tilt your head back and let it relax on the inflated headrests. This portable hot tub is easy to maintain with 2 easy-to-replace filter cartridges for clean, refreshing spa water, and the built-in hard water treatment system makes water gentler on skin for a soothing experience. Product benefits: pamper yourself in relaxing heated water surrounded by soothing bubble jets. The PureSpa provides relaxation at the touch of a button for up to 6 people. This inflatable model is ready for water in about 20 minutes and can be deflated for easy storage or transport, pump included. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.